Hey guys, welcome to another episode of your review channel, and yes, another episode of your Costco Today. Today we're talking about meat. Yes, Costco sells a ton of meat. Let's walk through the store together and take a look. Let's go.
Hey guys, thanks for tuning into Review Channel. So today I'm at Costco and I am looking at their meat section here, and they have a lot of meat. So if you're not familiar with Costco, they do sell a ton of meat. Here we have one here, $18.69. But this is 6 pounds. That's really good, nice quality beef here. Also, they have organic. It's an organic 3-pack here, as you can see. That's $19.99 for organic. Calories aren't bad actually either as well. So if you're not sure if Costco sells organic, they certainly do. They sell a ton of beef. That's only $19.99 for 4 pounds. That's a great deal for Costco. Also, they have some USB Prime beef loin, which is really nice quality. And these are expensive. This is $170, $158. These are expensive, but it's all high quality stuff. This is quite heavy too. Yeah, $29.99 a pound. Okay, so 5.7 pounds. Okay, 4.4. So this is 5 pounds. This is 6 pounds. Okay, that's how they do it. All right. And 4.86 pounds, so $30 a pound. So this is $145 for this one here. So that's not a bad deal if you like that. Nice quality stuff. Also, they have here is beef loin top whole New York steak prime right here. This is huge. That's $164 for that. So you can see that. That's really nice. And that's a lot there. This is $13.24 a pound. This is 12 pounds on that there. So that's a nice big piece of meat right there. That is huge. Then they have some small steaks too as well. Here, there's 2 nice steaks. This is beef ribeye, boneless, $63 for 2 pieces of steak, 2.75 ounces. Yeah, that's not bad as well.
One thing I did notice, they come in 2 packs or 3 packs, so they gave you some options, which is really kind of nice. So you don't have to buy the humongous piece if you don't, but they have some smaller pieces as well. Let's get back to the video.
Then here's a 3-pack. That's $97 for that. Not cheap, but looks good. Nice marbling on the steaks too. Really nice marbling on those steaks. Beef loin top sirloin, whole cap off USDA Prime, 7 pounds, $8.79 a pound. It's not bad. Yeah, $65 for that. That's not bad. Not bad at all. So they do have tons and tons of meat at Costco. Just take a look at your local Costco, see what they have. This is beef ribeye steak. It's $12.99 a pound. This is $38 for all this here, which is really nice. Nice quality, nice fresh meat. You can see here. So Costco has a ton of beef. So check out your local Costco for tons and tons of beef. Beef loin, tenderloin. This is another one here. So 5.25 pounds, $114 for this big piece of meat here. So nice quality meat there, and they have a ton. It goes on. So check out your local Costco. They have tons and tons of meat. So they have probably the best prices out there, and I think they have a nice quality and a nice selection, as you can see here. So let's just go down, take a look at some more, and then we have some nice chuck steak. I think this is beef low meat steak. I think I like beef stew with this. This is like a beef stew meat to me. I think not cheap though. But there is quite a bit here. It's 4 pounds and it's $62.48. Not bad. And as well, that's nice. And then you can continue down. And then you can see we got some steak tips. There's some really nice steak tips here. Nice quality steak tips, as you can see. It's $3.99 a pound on the steak tips. That's a beef stew steak actually, but you can actually tenderize those as well and use those for steak tips as well. You can just marinate those and use those. That's really another good secret. Just marinate those really nice for overnight, get them nice and tender. or you can make a nice beef stew. That's really nice as well. There's beef chuck. I think we saw that one already. And here we got some monsters. Look at the size of this thing. $67 here. It's a nice beef brisket. This is huge. Huge. $4.99 a pound. $67 for this big piece of meat here. Huge slab. Take a look down here. And boneless pork loin. There we go. So if you don't know, Costco sells meat. They do have a ton of it, and this is $5.48 pounds, $1.79 a pound. So it's like 5.5 pounds. It's $10. That's a good deal, actually. That's a big piece. Really nice. $15 this big piece. You can cut these up with some pork chops. You can cut them up and use all kinds of stuff. That's really nice as well. And then they also have pork chops all ready to go. So they have everything, soup to nuts. They have tons and tons of meat. So check out your local Costco and see what they have. Let's see what else they have down here.
Hey guys, I do apologize for all the noise in the background. It's just a refrigerator running. So this is interesting here. This is a lamb leg boneless roast, I guess from Australia. Not cheap, $40, $50, all by the weight, as you can see here. But they look really nice, and you know, the quality is excellent. Like I said, if you don't like anything from Costco, you can return it anytime. It doesn't matter if you ate it or not. You can bring it back. Always get your money back at Costco. They always stand by their products. If you do appreciate the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you're enjoying the content, and let me know if you want to see more of the Costco reviews. Leave some comments down below. I do appreciate that as well. Okay guys, let's continue. Okay guys, that does it for me. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to smash that like button. It does help me out quite a bit. Please check out all my other Costco videos as well. I do appreciate that. Okay guys, any other questions or comments, like I said, leave down below. I'll be glad to review whatever you want me to do. I'll do it for you. Okay guys, I appreciate it, and I'll see you at the next review.